If you want to be in the 100 million real estate celebrity club, then you have to have $100 million worth of mansion. Pretty easy. When it comes to buying these expensive homes, celebrities often take things to the next level. In recent years, real estate has become a luxury status in Hollywood and around the world. Wealthy businessmen and celebrities love to flaunt their flourishing wealth by purchasing extravagant properties that just nobody else can afford. Celebrities can turn into real estate moguls as they purchase, decorate, and sell homes. And some like to own expensive properties. When there's a lot of money to spare, celebrities love to invest their money into real estate and buy a home that can rival any luxury hotel in the world. There are a lot of celebrity homes that make jaws drop with their $100 million price tags. Well, welcome to Mega Luxury. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss amazing videos from us. From a James Bond-inspired mansion to beautiful ranches located on American soil, the list details what truly makes $100 million mansions stand out from the rest. Spanning for miles and miles, let's take a look at the celebrity mansions that cost a fortune.
Look, someone's walking in it though, so this is Bill's house.
Pierce Brosnan's Malibu mansion. Known for portraying the Agent 007 of the Secret Service, Pierce Brosnan owns a $100 million beachfront mansion in Malibu, California. It sits on 2 lots purchased by Brosnan and his wife, Katy. As insiders said, the home was built in 2002 after the actor finished shooting his final James Bond movie, Die Another Day. The home is called the Orchid House, and Brosnan envisioned the home after spending time in Thailand. Designed by Ralph and Russo Anderson, the home has 5 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms. Oprah Winfrey's Promised Land Estate. Oprah Winfrey has come a long way from living in a small shack in Mississippi. In 2001, Winfrey visited the estate located in Montecito and fell in love with the property. She purchased the property for $52 million, and it's now worth over $100 million. The 23,000 square foot mansion has sprawling terraces, gardens, and fountains. The home is equipped with 6 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, an office, several living rooms, a library, and a kitchen, as stated by Love Property. George Clooney's Lake Como mansion. Located on a beautiful commune called Laglio, Italy, George Clooney's Lake Como mansion is the highlight of the province. The actor purchased the property in 2002 for $14 million, and the estimated worth of the same home is now $100 million. Initially, he had plans to stay at the property only a few times a year. However, due to his love for the home, Clooney and his wife, Amal, are often spotted around Lake Como. The lakeside home is furnished with 25 rooms, a kitchen, a formal dining room, walk-in closets, and an enormous living room. Additionally, the house has an indoor gym, tennis court, swimming pool, and a multi-car garage. Bill Gates' Medina estate. With a net worth of $137 billion, it is only fitting that Bill Gates has a mansion that suits his fortune. Located in his home state of Washington, it is called Xanadu 2.0, named after the fictional main character in the movie Citizen Kane, and has a price tag of $127 million. The home spans across 66,000 square feet and is earth-sheltered to regulate the surrounding temperatures effectively. The home features rotational artwork that are worth $80,000, as noted by the Economic Times. The 60-foot pool has underwater speakers to have a relaxing time. Additionally, the home also has a library, a trampoline room, and a 10-car garage. Gates has also planted a 40-year-old maple tree which is monitored by a computer. Jeff Bezos' Beverly Hills estate. On the second spot as the richest man globally, Jeff Bezos made a massive $165 million purchase of the Warner estate located in Beverly Hills. The estate was built in 1937 by Jack L. Warner, one of the founders of Warner Brothers Company. The estate equips a 13,600 square foot home, 2 guest homes, a tennis court, and a pool. The mansion has top-notch security as it is surrounded by tall hedges and a large gate to hide the street view. The home is Georgian style and has 8 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms. The Bezos estate has an expansive bar, screening room, and a formal dining room that can fit 14 guests. Drake's Toronto mansion. Drake went back to his roots and built a manor in his hometown in Toronto for $100 million. The mansion is dubbed the Embassy and spans 50,000 square feet of the area. It was designed by architects Ferris Rafali. The home has indoor basketball since Drake is a big fan of NBA games. The rapper also has an awards room where all of his trophies are displayed. One of the hallways in his hotel-like mansion is dedicated to sports jerseys, as reported by The Richest. The estate has 3,200 square feet master bedroom with a terrace where Drake likes to relax after a long day. The most intriguing feature is the 2-story closet that houses his exclusive sneaker collection and luxury wardrobe. Other notable celebrity mansions that come under honorary mentions are Jay-Z and Beyoncé's $88 million Bel Air estate, and Sylvester Stallone's $85 million Beverly Hills home. These exceptional properties are rare and beautiful. Made with durability and advanced features, these homes will remain standing for a very long time. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to love to watch our video about "This is how the Crown Prince of Dubai spends his billions" on our channel. Make sure to click the subscribe button for future notifications and never miss our videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.